The U.S. Supreme Court is taking up a challenge to a University of Texas program that considers race in some college admissions. The case could produce new limits on affirmative action at universities or roll it back entirely. UT Austin President Bill Powers was at the court today in Washington defending the university's use of race, among other factors.
Most Americans would like a day when we don't need to take race and ethnicity into account in admissions. We are not to that day.
Gail Fisher says as a white person, she was prevented from entering UT Austin, so she sued.
I hope the court rules that a student's race and ethnicity should not be considered when applying to the University of Texas.
The absence of equal protection was a sin in this country for a long, long time, and we're simply trying to say those rights belong to everybody.
Just 9 years ago, the Supreme Court ruled in favor of affirmative action, and now they're reconsidering, and the result could impact how much race can play into university admissions nationwide.
With that Fisher case before the High Court, we wondered what students on the UT campus here in Austin are saying about the university's policy of using race as a factor in the admissions process. And we found a variety of thoughts.
It should never be about the races. It should be about the quality of the students and their talents based on their merit.
It should be in place as long as race plays a visible role in our society.
Several civil rights groups spoke out yesterday at the state capitol in favor of UT's affirmative action policies.